Our organization, the FORSZ Ltd. Liability Corporation, was founded in 1992 and operates as a family-owned and operated business. Our policy is to provide a high level of services in support of industrial users. We produce cutting instruments and many other tools manufactured using tungsten carbide or high-speed steel for common or custom end purposes. Tool manufacturing and resharpening services extend through the entire country. Our clientele represent a significant proportion of both domestic and multinational corporate entities. The quality of the manufactured product are ensured by our highly skilled colleagues, richly adorned with long-term professional experience and the most modernized technical background. Naturally, we consistently are undergoing improvements regarding product development and maintain our position in the marketplace through advancing our technical aptitude, striving to keep our competitiveness, and to be able to correspond among new incoming requests.
Készült Magyarország kormánya megbízásából az Európai Unió támogatásával.